Now we're going to go over Unit 9, Day 1 assignment. So first one, identify each line or segment that intersects a circle. We're looking at chords first. So remember, chord has to have endpoints on the circle and go through the circle. So there's only one segment, QS. If you're doing this on the computer, you need to write out the word segment. And Q and S need to be capitalized. Then we have secant. Remember, a secant is a line that goes through the computer. So if I was using my symbols, that'd be line QS. Again, if you're doing this on the computer, you need to write out the word line QS. Tangent is a line that touches a circle at one point. So that is line ST. Then we're looking for the diameter. So diameter is a chord that goes through the center of the circle, which is segment QS. Again, segment QS for diameter, line ST for tangent. Then we're looking for the radii. So the radii would be a segment RP, segment QP, and segment PS. Again, if you're doing this on a computer, you need to write out the word segment in front of both of those, all three of those, and all of those need to be capitalized. Remember, radius goes from the center of the circle to the side of the circle. Number 2, we want to find the length of each radius. Identify the point of tangency and write the equation of the tangent line at that point. So we're looking at circle R first. So we're counting from R to the side of the circle. So that's 2. Radius of circle S. So again, S to the side of the circle. That's 2. Point of tangency is the point where the two circles touch the tangent line, which is right here at 1, 2. Equation for the tangent line right here is x equals 1. And remember that it's an x equals because it's a vertical line. Number 3, we have segment JK and segment JL are tangent to the circle. See, we want to find the length of JK. So remember that two tangents that intersect the same circle and intersect each other like this are congruent. So we have 4x minus 1 equaling 2x plus 9. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides and add 1. So that gets us 2x equaling 10. We're going to divide both sides by 2 and x equals 5. We're not finished though because it asked us for JK. And JK is 4x minus 1. So we need to substitute that 5 in for x. For x's, we put that 5. And we have that JK equals 19. Next up, we are looking for the measure of arc DF. So we already know that this angle here is 90 degrees. And we know that this angle is 51 degrees. And these two together have to be 90. So 90 minus 51 is 39 degrees. And then we have vertical angles here. So this angle is also 39 degrees. So arc DF, always follow your letters. Shortest distance from one to the other. So D to F, we're adding 90 and 39. And that gets us 129 degrees. The next one we are looking for is the measure of arc DEB. 3 letters tells me it's either a semicircle or a major arc, meaning greater than 180 degrees. So from D to E to B. So indeed E is 90. E all the way around to B is 180. So 180 plus 90 is 270 degrees. Okay, our next one, we're looking for the measure of arc JL. So we know that this arc here is 180 degrees, which means this other one is also 180 degrees. So to find JK, we are going to take and add 72 and 30 together. That gets us 102. And then subtract that 102 degrees from 180. And that gets us 78 degrees for arc JK. And we add that 78 degrees and that 30 degrees together. And that gets us 108 degrees for arc JL. Then we are looking for arc HLK. Again, 3 letters tells me it's either a semicircle or a major arc. Go the shortest distance from one to the other. So H to L to K, we didn't overlap ourselves, because if we went the other direction, H to L, we'd have gone back on ourselves. So we're adding 180 plus 30. And that gets us 210 degrees.